Hello. If you are in the market looking for a portable generator to buy, please watch this video until the end and you will find out that we have discovered a multi-fuel generator that can run on gasoline or either propane. It's good to have a multi-fuel engine, especially when you are camping.
First, we started at Lowe's, and most of the good generators were gone. And we went to Home Depot in Murrieta, and they were all sold out. Next, we went to Harbor Freight. They have many portable generators, but are mostly Predators, and they are only gasoline powered, and they are out of the multi-fuel option. Harbor Freight have lots of quiet inverters. Mostly the best one are gasoline, LPG gas, and propane. That is the best option you can buy, because if you don't have any gasoline, you have to go out and get some. So the best thing about multi-fuel generators, you have the options of running with different types of fuel. These are the many options at Harbor Freight of portable generators, and some of them are standby for your house, especially during or before a storm. When you have power shutdown, make sure you have multi-fuel and around 58 decibel. They are very, very quiet. Like the decibel means is how loud the engine noise is produced. Next, we went to Sam's Club, and they were all sold out of generators also. Next, at Costco. This is where we found the best generator I recommend. Fuel, gasoline, and propane at Costco. The model number is WH03242. It's a very quiet generator, and it runs on gasoline and propane, and I prefer less propane, produce less carbon monoxide that can kill anyone. Watt, and the running watt of 3,200, and the carbon monoxide outer shutdown. If the concentration of carbon monoxide is extremely high, it will shut down the generator. And the engine is made by Furman. It's 193 cubic centimeters engine, or in American standard, it's 11.8 cubic inches. Very, very small. But it has also a low oil shutdown. When the oil that runs the engine is below the minimum, it will stop the engine. And you could start it with an electric motor starter, and also you have a recoil start like a lawn mower. This is the WH03242 generator, and it's running very, very quietly. We are now putting oil on the engine. It should be pointed in the backyard or from under a tree, because concentration of carbon monoxide will kill anyone. Any human being will get dizzy, and because carbon monoxide is odorless, tasteless, and no color. So make sure you operate it 20 feet away from any concentration of people in the gazebo or any room. This is a very quiet generator. It's quieter than a lawn mower. Can you imagine? A lawn mower is noisy, and this generator is very, very, very quiet. It's about 30 feet away from the house and the gazebo, in the backyard next or under a grapefruit tree. And no, as you can see, the generator is running and supplying all the powers to all the lights under the gazebo where we're having a party and we're having a dinner or lunch with all our families and friends, and we are having a karaoke singing affair. We are powering everything from the generator. So if you are looking to buy a generator, this is one of the best that we have experienced. We ran the generator for 2 days, 8 hours each time, and we used only half a tank of propane the first day, and in the next day we used the whole day propane in the tank remaining, and did not run out at all. And finally, if you are looking to buy a very efficient and quiet generator, this is the one that I recommend, because we have experience running it now for about a week, and it's even over 7 days, 8 hours a day, and it's very efficient. It's Furman generator operated without any problem or any issue. So I recommend this generator when you're having a tailgating party at home or camping.
And make sure when you buy a generator that you buy one with the electric starter with a battery, because sometimes the recoil starter is very hard to operate. Good luck to all of you. Thank you.